Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M32 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the intelligent features category. Here at the second place we have scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. When you have this, you can do it by just putting them inside your camera app to the standard photo mode. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.